an apartment complex owner in Sandy Plains. What they had was a deteriorating water main that fed 26 different buildings and hundreds of feet of galvanized water pipe that needed to be replaced. And all of that piping's underneath the parking lot. So what we did was we go out there with our directional drill machines and we were able to replace those lateral water lines ahead of time. We ran the water lines, tunneled under the parking lot, didn't have to disturb the hundreds of cars that are in there, didn't have to disturb the water flow to the residents until all the piping was already ran. So we were able to minimize the downtime and get that pipe replaced with minimal invasiveness. They didn't have a whole lot of parking lot to replace. Once all the pipe was in position, we could turn the water down for a matter of a couple hours and tie in both ends of that lateral and have the water back on before many people even noticed it had been off. If there's a high traffic area, whether it's a road, parking lot, you just can't shut down that space, we can go under it without disturbing it in most cases. So if you know anybody with an issue similar to that, where you've got lots of people affected by the water or obstacles in digging or excavating something, we've got trenchless solutions for it. Whether it be directional drilling, pipe bursting, or lining of sewage lines, we can help you with any of those.